Hello everyone, welcome to my NASA vlog. We were going to a space center in Texas, and on our way there was like a big traffic jam because of this. I'm not really sure what it is, but it really slowed down the process, but it didn't matter because in the end it was still fun. Wait, oh my god, is that an injured person? How come I didn't notice this before? This is our bus. It was a MERS bus. I was like, oh my god, no way. It's actually really cool. We are in NASA. Here we are at the Space Center. It was very vibrant inside, and it was like so spacey theme, of course. Greeting us was this like a music thing. It's like a club, but it was kid friendly because kids could play hula hoops while listening to it. We were in a tour cart where we were going around the places and going to the building where the real spaceship was located in. Here's Mian. He's really enjoying the day. This is the building that we were gonna go to. It was called Saturn. The day was really nice that day. It wasn't really that hot. Here we have our physics enthusiast, Hollis. He's the one who's very excited for this. And here's my friend Taffy from Myanmar. Alas, we have arrived at the building. Oh, by the way, there were a lot of longhorns there. They were massive. Here's Hollis being excited again. There were a lot of carts there, so here's us passing by another one. And here's a close-up of the longhorns. I don't know what this building is, but it was really tall. Oh, I have no idea. Here we are walking down from the cart to see and explore the place.
NASA.
Everyone was so mesmerized by the place. Here's a close-up of the building that I mentioned earlier. It's not even a building. I think it's a rocket. It was extremely tall. Now looking at the rocket of NASA. It's massive. Very big. Here we have Hollis, a scientist, physicist, lecturer.
Sampai bulan. Kecil je tengok tu. Yang bulan ni. Ini. Kecil je.
The small one.
Yeah.
Me and Hollis can speak Malay.
Surprise.
And here is him helping a random old man to take a picture using his camera. It's actually really cute.
2, 3. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Got one? Yes. 1, 2.
The walls of this place was filled with information about the past and the history of the spaceship and the people that were sent there.
Now arriving back at Space Center Houston. As you've seen, we are living in a very exciting time for space exploration right now. If you enjoy your NASA tram tour today and continue to learn, one day you can come back to the Johnson Space Center in the future and be a part.
This was inside one of the buildings. It was really filled with people. The displays were interactive for some of them, and it was really fun to see what would happen when we interact with them. And of course, there's a merch place that we had to go to. Now moving on, we are going to a car show near a mall. I forgot what the mall is called, but here are the footages of the car show. It was like a Halloween theme, and I am not a big car enthusiast, so I'm not really sure what was there. I was only there to take a picture with the Terrifier clown from the movie. I think this is a different day from when we were at NASA. En Augustus. I don't know what car these are. And that's about it for this vlog. Here is a gentle monster robot thingy that follows you when you look at it. It was actually really cool and scary at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you at the next vlog.